Welcome to our comprehensive guide on how to enable notifications for when you're tagged by friends on Facebook using the Android app. Let's go through the steps together. To begin, open the Facebook app on your Android device to access your account. Navigate to your profile by tapping on your profile picture displayed on the screen. Next, tap on the three dots icon located on your profile page to access additional options. Select Review Posts and Tags from the Options menu to manage your tagged posts effectively. Beside Review Posts and Tags, tap on Settings to customize your tag notification preferences. Under Get Notified when you're tagged by, choose Friends to receive notifications when you're tagged by your Facebook friends. By following these steps, you can stay informed and receive notifications when you're tagged by friends on Facebook, ensuring you're always aware of tags and mentions from your friends. Thank you for watching. We hope this guide has been informative in showing you how to enable notifications for when you're tagged by friends on Facebook using the Android app. Keep up with your friends' tags and mentions by setting up tag notifications to receive alerts whenever you're tagged by your Facebook friends. Enjoy a more engaging and connected experience on Facebook by customizing your tag notification settings to suit your preferences.